Welcome back to Tanja's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor. Today we are at Sanders Nursery in Broken Arrow, and we're just going to take a look around and see what finds its way into my cart. Last year to get a couple of companion plants to go in my garden, and I fell in love with the place. It's just really beautiful, so I thought that I would take you guys with me today to show you guys what all they have. Brown turkey figs, they got blackberries, and everything is on sale. All fruit trees are now 25% off. They have pear trees.
Berries, pear trees.
So all of these are pear trees, plum cot.
These are over there apples. These are
Dwarf
green
pear.
pears. And over there are apples, I think.
Plum.
Huh? What's that?
It's a type of fruit. And these are $40. These are $40, but they're 25% off, so. Yep. Okay, now let's look on the other side. We have apple.
Apples, rainbow apples.
$80. All of these trees are in grow bags and buckets. And that's what's up. These are peaches. I've been selling 5 and 7 gallon fruit trees, 25% off.
Ooh, that looks
Okay.
good. Mommy, what is this one?
I don't know. So they have blueberries, blackberries. See what they have back here. Oh, northern hibiscus blueberry. This is a really good variety in Oklahoma.
Is this rainbow berry?
Nope, that's blueberry. These are grapes? Wow. I would love to get some grapes. Wouldn't that be awesome to grow some grapes? Don't you think?
No moolah.
Okay. Grapes? More blueberries. Yeah.
Those grapes look dry.
Figs. I wonder what those are. Raspberries, maybe?
They're flowers.
No, she's right. They're flowers.
There's flowers over here of it, I think.
Yeah, there's pretty flowers over there. Okay, alright, let's get out of this section. Let's look inside, see what they have inside. So they have these juniper trees over here. It's cute, cute. I love that they have these in grow bags. Look at that. That just shows how much you can actually grow in grow bags. Lavender. Look at this. They're really dry though.
Look at this.
1 gallon lavender was $10, now $5. If y'all were to get these and it's dry, you can still clip all of these off and it'll grow. More sales. These are watering cans
It's cute.
where you water the plants.
Yeah,
That's
and
so
it comes
cute.
out of its mouth.
Yeah. Rosemary. Look how big this is. A golden falls red bud tree. $249.
Oh my goodness.
You see the 189?
If you have a shaded flower bed and you're wanting to put some beautiful flowers that get pretty tall, these I 100% recommend. And they like acidic soil too. And the acidity in the soil actually changes the colors of the flowers.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. This place is huge. Let's go to the veggies. I have a lot of tomatoes. Now look at this. All veggies now $1. If you're in Oklahoma and you still need some plants, these are $1. And this is spearmint. I think this is in the wrong place because if that's $1, I'll take it. These are cauliflower. Look at all of these. Broccoli. Black Beauty eggplant.
Look, there's a flower.
Yep, these are eggplant. I would recommend taking the flowers off when you plant them. But for the most part, the leaves look really good. I don't see any disease. Make sure y'all look underneath the leaves and check everything out before you purchase them. Cucumber. Now these leaves do look sick. Red cabbages. Blossom Enrot. Now this is, you know what? This is actually a chance for a learning experience. Blossom Enrot is a result of lack of calcium. Anytime you see fruit on your fruiting plants, if the fruit comes out like this, then it needs more calcium, and you could put bone meal in the soil. I have a lot of tomatoes over here. Look at these onions.
Well, these things looking rough.
Oh yeah. These are pepper plants. These are very leggy. They shouldn't be this long. I definitely wouldn't recommend getting a plant that looks like that. Now let's look at the herbs. Oh my goodness. Very sick. I'll give the herbs an F. Alright, so that is all of the vegetables. Everything else are flowers and trees. 25% off of roses. 25% off of all perennials. Oh, well, never mind. It says select perennials. Oh, hostess. I love hostess. I've been wanting to get one for like a house plant.
Let's keep walking.
Okay, it looks to me like most of these plants are kind of sad. So I'm thinking they really need to get rid of them. So if you are a beginner gardener, I would not recommend getting some of these plants that look really bad. But if you are an experienced gardener and you know how to revive a lot of these plants, I think this is a good sale. I absolutely love this place when they open in early spring. It's so many things here. It's so beautiful. I love how big it is, how much of a variety they have. They do have a more flower variety than vegetables, but it's so beautiful. I've only been in Oklahoma for now 3 years now, and I'm still learning the place. This is really the only nursery that I know about. So please let me know down in the comments if you have a go-to here in Oklahoma. I love to check them out. Now let's talk about companion planting. These are marigolds, and they are absolutely perfect to go in your garden. Every pest loves these. So these will be basically like a sacrificial plant to grow near your veggies if you don't want anything to mess with your veggies. They will 100% absolutely love marigolds. I had these in my garden last year. I love the yellow ones. You definitely want to make sure that French marigolds are the ones that you choose. I have these in my garden this year. I believe this is a vinca flower, and they are absolutely beautiful in your garden. The leaves are stunning. Pests love these too. Marigolds is still the winner. These are alyssum, and these are actually really good to go in your garden. They attract beneficial insects, as you can see right there. It's already something on it. But they bring in those lace wings that are actually going to help eat those aphids off of your plants. And then aphids absolutely love these flowers too, so they'll go to these instead of your plants. Look at that. It's already an aphid under here. Here's some clematis. Now this is actually a climbing plant, so if you're wanting something that climbs and flowers, this is a really good plant. And it is $26.99, and they actually come in a lot of different colors. And they also have a couple of other things in here. They have mushroom grow kits here too. Lion's mane, elm oyster, pink oyster. They have a lot of options. They also sell bugs in here as well if you're wanting to get some bugs for your garden. They have ladybugs. These are alive. They have praying mantises. Oh, it says 100 to 200 eggs. And they have some seeds in here too for flowers. It looks like a lot of their seeds are gone. I think we're done. There's so much more that we can see, but if I show y'all everything, we're going to be here all day.
Not tempted one bit.
How?
Not to the slightest.
No, it's,
not to the all.
It's so like easy to get tempted in there.
Yeah, for you, but it was like natural, just looking at stuff and be like, nope, not getting my money.
You saw how the building looked though when you go inside, how nice that looked in there?
Yeah, it looked nice inside, but I think the prettiest thing of all was the waterfall thing.
Yeah.
It was inside the shop. Have you seen it? It was like a square waterfall coming down like that. Nah, probably that was tempting to spend money on, but I mean everything else. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. If you want to be a part of an amazing gardening community on Facebook, go look up Prosper and Plant, hit join, and I'll see you over there too.